Your agency clients can get better results than you can if they run the ads themselves. Now, before you start protecting your ego as an agency owner, right, and saying, oh no, I can get better results or whatever, right? Hear me out. Because you can actually scale further and you can make far more profit if you let your clients run the ads instead of you doing them, okay? Now, one thing that we're seeing more and more each and every single day is media buying and, buying the advertising or media buying. We're seeing that become less and less important to the success of ads. We're seeing that every day, right? Because of automations and whatnot, right? Even, for example, a few weeks ago, Facebook rolled out a new feature where DTE, which is detailed targeting expansion, that's automatically turned on now. It's mandatory. You can't run ads without it on Facebook, right? And so we're seeing it every single day, right? Media buying is becoming less and less effective. Now, that then leaves a question of, okay, well, if media buying is becoming less effective, what is the real important, what actually produces results then? Well, what produces the results in advertising is the creatives, is the ad angles, right? That's the thing that you should be focusing on, and that's because that's the thing that gets the results. The media buying doesn't get results anymore. Bid caps and bid strategies and scaling percentage doesn't get results. What gets the results is the ad angles and the creatives. And how can you create the best ad angles? How can you create the best ad creatives to ensure that you're able to get the best results? Guess what it's from? Knowing your niche, knowing your customers that you're running the ads to. Now, that leaves the question, who knows your client's customers the best? Your clients. Your clients know their customer better than anybody else does, or at least they should, okay? And so truly, if your clients ran the ads themselves, they would get better results than you could, okay? And if you're an agency owner, that might be a little bit shocking, but it's the truth, okay? Because again, times are changing, right? Times are changing, right? In whatever it was, like 2017, 2018, the thing that actually got the results back then in advertising was the media buying, right? You'd had to have all these crazy scaling strategies and this and that and whatever else, right? That's what got the results. It's not the same anymore. And so another thing that's like a unique insight is that your clients are actually happy to learn how to run the ads themselves, because typically they know that they'll get better results than you can, right? So they're actually wanting to learn. They'll be happy to learn how to get the results, okay? And if you, as an agency owner, change your deliverables, change your mechanism to one of consulting rather than to one of done for you, which is what you're currently doing, you manually running the ads for your clients. Change it to one that's consulting. It's a leveraged consulting, okay? I don't know what this person in front of me is doing right now. Doing 37 in like a 60, amazing. If you change it to one of leveraged consulting, as I say, okay, you can scale to much, much, much higher heights, right? And as I say, your clients are going to get better results because they are the ones running the ads, okay? And the other thing is that your client themselves don't necessarily need to be the one physically managing the ads each and every day, because obviously I know a lot of clients are very time intensive and whatnot, right? So they don't have all day, every day to, be spending in ads managers and trying to get results and whatnot. So what they can do at that point is, once they know exactly how to get the results, okay? Open this sunroof here a little bit, I'm getting a little hot. Once they know how to get the results, they can just simply train an in-house media buyer up, okay, who they pay a normal salary to, as opposed to extortionate client fees, okay, extortionate agency fees. They just pay a normal monthly salary to them, okay, for like whatever it is, like $3,000 a month, and they save the $10,000 a month on agency fees, and they're getting better results. And on top of all of that, you, as the agency owner, can scale to much higher heights because you're using leveraged consulting as opposed to a done-for-you agency model, which is the typical model, which is broken. It doesn't work, okay? I've done it. I've scaled to 100K a month and it breaks, guys. You can't scale. If you want to hit 300, 400, 500K a month, you cannot do it with a done-for-you service, unless you can do it unless you you can scale to 400 or 500k a month, but you have like 20% margins, 10% margins, right? Maybe 30% if you're lucky. With leverage consulting, guys, I'm currently doing it right now. We're at around 250k a month, and we have like 85% margins, right? Last year in my just recently, I obviously did all the tax and whatnot for the last financial year, and the entire business itself was running the company side for my financials was I think it was like 69-70% profit margin, and that was with 13% spent. 13% of my expenses was self-education. So the actual business itself was running at like 82-83% profit margin. Okay. And we're at a higher height than what I would have been if I just continued doing the done for you monthly service, right? There's no way I would be able to take that to 250k a month, right? So we're scaled to a higher height and we're far more profitable. It's insane, okay? So you have to restructure your agency, okay, guys? Times are changing, okay? Times are changing. You've got to adapt to the change. If you want to know more about kind of how specifically to implement this change, go ahead, click the link around the video and watch the Scale Client SIO Thesis. It's a 75-minute video where I break this down from end to end, okay? This is the new way, guys. This is it. Trust me, this is the new way, okay? If you want to start or scale, right? Maybe you're currently at 50k a month and you're burnt out, right? Maybe you're at 100k a month and you're operating at like 40% margins, and you've got, like like 10, 50, 100 clients, and you're burnt out, and you feel as though you're capped at scale. It's because you are, okay? You need to change. And something else that you need to do is click the link around this video, okay? And oh my God, that's tight. Click the link around this video, okay? And implement the new way. Trust me, guys, this is how you're going to get to 300k a month, 400k a month, 500k a month, okay? It's not going to be done through a done for you model. It's near enough impossible. It might as well be impossible, right? Because it's very close to it, okay? So click the link around this video. It will take you to an end-to-end thesis. It's my 100k a month and beyond thesis, okay? And guys, honestly, Scale Client SIO customers have been implementing this, and the results have been insane, right? We've seen customers literally have more scale in the last 2 to 3 weeks than they've experienced in their entire business in the last 12 months. And it's just by changing the offer, the price of the offer, and the actual deliverable, the way in which you deliver the offer. That's all that's changing, okay? But it's going to be that little tweak that you need in your business right now to get to 100k, to get to 200k, to get to 500k a month. It's all you need. Trust me, I see it time and time again, and we implement it ourselves, okay? Sun's super bright. But as I say, go ahead, click the link around this video, and I'll see you on the inside.